All right, listen, so if you've watched any of my videos, you know I like to camp in comfort. And when it comes to sleeping, I don't want to wake up with any aches and pains to ruin my camping trip. So what I picked up was this right here. It's a 3-inch memory foam mattress. But what if I told you so is this? What is going on? Ted with Grub and Gravel. In the opening, I mentioned, like back in the day, if you wanted to sleep like a pampered princess on 3 inches of memory foam, this is what you were going to have to deal with. This giant thing, while comfortable, was a pain to transport, barely fit in the bed of my truck. But the gang at Ogery has come up with a solution for that. And it's in this bag right here. Now, what they've done is they've used sort of an air mattress capture system in conjunction with 3 inches of memory foam to create an extremely portable, very comfortable sleeping pad. Let's pull it out of the bag, get it pumped up, take a peek at it. Now, like I said, what's in this bag is Ogery's hybrid foam air mattress system. It's going to give us a mattress that is going to be 3 inches thick. It's going to be 27 inches wide and 77 inches long. And it's going to come in a beautiful little bag, a little nylon bag, rolls up real nice and tight. So let's break it out of here and see what we're dealing with. All right, comes out nice and compact. And you can tell that right off the bat by feeling it, it's going to be pretty comfortable. It's got a very soft outer shell. They're going to throw in this nice little strap that's going to keep it buckled up for you. And then simply like any air mattress system, you're just going to unroll it. Now, I'm going to be honest, just for a straight like sitting mat or maybe a yoga mat or something like this, or just in a real quick impromptu nap, you could probably lay right on top of this. I'm imagining this is about a 1/4 inch of foam right here that we're dealing with already. So let's talk about how we're going to deploy it. It is going to come with its own foot pump, so there's not going to be any need to blow up anything. You're not going to need any pumps, anything like that. So what you're going to do is lift up this side, and what you're going to find is your foot pump valve. You're going to want to open that up. And then down here on the end, there's a series of 2-flap, 2-way valves. So if you open this first flap up, it's going to be a 2-way valve for getting your air out of it when you're done. If you open up the second stage of the valve, immediately you're going to hear air start to rush into this. So what this does is it actually, once you've got this open, the memory foam itself is going to start to fill up with air, to a certain extent. So what you can do is you can watch it right now. It's actually moving from this side down. And I haven't even started putting a foot pump to it or anything like that. So once you get to a point where you can't hear the valve hissing anymore and you're kind of in a steady state where, it's not really moving anymore, you want to come back in and shut these valves. And I'll tell you what, I'm already at about 1.5 inches, 2 inches on how thick this mattress is. And then, like I said, there is going to be a foot pump on this. So all you're going to do is start stepping on this. And it's going to take 20-30 seconds worth of pumping. And you're going to be able to tell you're getting there when you kind of hear air stop going into the mattress. All right, that's about it. We're there right now. So what we're going to do is, down here, shut this valve. If you notice right here, if you forget how to use it, there are instructions for this printed right on here. All right, so all 3 of our valves are closed, and we should be ready to go. Oh yeah, and she's nice and comfortable. If you notice down on this side, there's going to be a little bit of a pillow. Now, laying on this, it's not really adequate pillow for me to side sleep on it, or if you wanted to lay on your face or something. But most definitely, if you're a back sleeper, that's just enough to get your head off the ground, just a little bit. And so definitely you can feel that it's full of foam. This isn't one of those units where it is going to be a layer of foam on top, just enough to make you think there's foam, and then there's air underneath. There is all foam in this. And what they've done is, you know how foam works. It gets compressed and it gets filled back up with air. There is going to be no wobbling on this like there normally would be on some kind of an air mattress. extremely quiet when you're moving around on it. You know, air mattresses I've dealt with in the past have that weird like squeakiness that happens when you're trying to lay and move around on them. Nothing like this with this pad. Definitely just solid foam for comfort. All right, so let's lay on it a little bit. See if we can lay on it without my gut hanging out. So nice and comfortable. So normally my pet peeve and why I went to foam mattresses in the first place is I'm a little heavier. So most definitely I sink all the way to the bottom. And if I have a pointy bit, whether it's my hip, my elbow, any kind of ribs, you name it, it's going to find the little seam in those waffle air mattresses and it's going to touch the ground. You know, I can get up on this without putting my knees, not even going all the way to the ground right now. Plenty of cush. Going to be great comfort for any camping. I'm going to do like I do with the other pad. I'm going to slide this into my rooftop tent and use it as a little bit of a supplemental mattress for that. You know, you got guests over to the house, tent camping, like I said, you need a little extra support in your RV, anything like that. This thing could do the trick. So before I wrap this up, let's look at how easy it's going to be to put it away. Because, you know, I know you've seen those air mattresses. People use them for their beds at home. And once those things are full, you can't imagine that it's going to compress properly, you know, to fold down back into that bag. But the trick is going to be the two-way valves that I showed you earlier. So as you start to compress it, when the air is out, the air is out. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to start back down at this end where your valves are. And this time you're going to only open the first stage of this valve. And you can hear it already emptying itself out. I'm going to open both of them just for good measure, just to make sure this airflow is moving. Then you're simply going to start down at this end, compress it a little bit, and you're going to start rolling. And as you roll, you can hear the air coming right out of it. But if you let the pressure off, it's not going to fill back up because of that two-way valve. So just walk yourself along, letting the air out. Every so often, I like to put a knee on it just to make sure we're nice and drained. And the way the foam cell in this works is it's fat and continuous. So there's not going to be a choke point like with a regular air mattress where you cut off the supply of air, so you're stuck with this air in the back here. No matter at what point you're at, you put a little bit of a knee on this and the air will come out. Get it rolled down a few more. Put one last little bit of pressure on it. And like I said, you don't have to be in any kind of hurry. These valves are going to make sure no air comes back in, but I'm going to close them all the same just to make sure. Flip it up like this. You're going to put your little strap on, giggity. Once it's ready to go, nice and easy because of the size of the bag they send you. It's going to fit right back in this bag. Cinch it up. Nice carry handle. Fling it right on your back, and you're off to your next adventure. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to leave a link in the description to this Ogery air mattress. If you think this is something you might be looking for, this might be right for you, please check out the link. I appreciate y'all. Take it easy.